Hi students, continue the lesson. So PLA plastic. So PLA means what? Polylactic acid, a substitute for some types of plastics. So polylactic acid or polylactide is compostable of bioactive thermoplastic. This is polymer is obtained from plant starch such as corn, sugarcane pulps from sugar beets. So PL is a biodegradable material. It is useful for making food packaging, garbage bags and disposal tableware. See PLA food container. Understand? Tea bags, etc. So various methods of disposing plastics. What are the different methods? Understand? So plastic do not decompose by natural process and action of bacteria and are therefore not biodegradable. It is important for us to separate our biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and dispose of them separately. A lot of plastic produced globally, it is designed to be used only once and thrown away. So creating a large amount of plastic waste end up being recycled, incinerated, landfill, dumped and ends up littering our environment. It is estimated that from all the plastic waste were produced, 79% is in landfills, dumps or in the environment. 12% has been incinerated, only 9% is recycled. So today we learn about what happens with the plastic waste. One way to look at plastic disposable is the 5R principle. 5R. So 5R means refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. R. 5R principle. So we already learned about waste pyramid, how different methods in last class. Understand? So refuse, reduce, recycle, recover and landfill. So what is refuse? That means avoid. The best thing is to do is to avoid use plastic products. One time use throw away plastic can often be avoided. For example, you can carry cotton, jute bags when we go shopping and say no when a shopkeeper offers plastic bag. Okay. No, this is yes. So reduce. Reducing the amount of plastic we use important. Understand? We reduce the plastic item. And reuse. If possible, products made of plastic can be used again and again. Okay. And then recycle. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Understand? Then recover. Compost and incinerate. Solid waste can be converted into resources such as electricity and compost through the thermal and biological means. Okay. So this is about 5R principle. What is landfilling? So plastic waste often ends up in landfill that use holes where waste is buried to keep it separate from the environment. Understand? So this is called what? Landfilling. Layers of soil. See, this is the method used to landfill. Biodegradable plastics. The concept of biodegradable plastic or bioplastic were introduced in 1980 based on the nature of degradation. So there are main types of plastic: degradable and plastic and compostable plastics. Okay. So read the concept in your textbooks. Then plastic eating bacteria. In 2016, scientists from Japan tested different bacteria from a bottle recycling plant and that are Ideonelskins is 201F6 is the name. Ideonelskins. So could digest and the plastic used to make single-use drink bottles. Understand? Ideonelskins. That means polythene terephthalate, PET. Understand? So this is about the picture. Plastic eating bacteria. Then glass and types. Glass can be found wherever you look. A glass is window or glass mirror, glass light bulb, etc. Understand? So glass is prepared by heating SiO2, silicon dioxide, until it melts, say to about 1070 degrees centigrade, and sodium carbonate is added to it. Then it cooled down really fast. When SiO2, silicon dioxide, melts, the silicon and oxygen atoms break out their crystal structure. Understand? We use borosilicate, Pyrex glass made by adding the boron oxide to the molten mixture. Understand? This is the use. Then toughened glass used to carve veins, heels. It is used by cooling molten glass very quickly to make it much harder. Understand? This is the use of glass. Okay, students, read the points to remember of the lesson. Okay.